The story name is The Boy Who Planted Hope. Let's start the story. Once upon a time, in a small dusty village where summers were dry and wind carried no scents of flower, lived a boy named Aarav. He was only 8 years old but had a big heart. His grandfather used to say, "Where there is tree, there is life." But hardly any trees were there in the whole village. The sun burned hot. The animals were thirsty. Even the birds stopped singing. One day, Arav's little sister was crying because she had to walk a long distance just to bring a bucket of water. That day, something changed in him, and he looked at the empty land behind his house and said, "If no one is planting trees, then I will plant trees." He just didn't start planting, he was studied about it. Which plant need less water? Which plant's root go deeper to hold? Which is the best time to plant? He asked his teacher. He read books and he even watched videos on his school computer. And he found out that neem and peepal tree can grow in dry soil as well as it can clean the air too. He saved his pocket money and bought his first sapling, a neem tree. He planted it carefully and watered it. The village people said that one tree can't bring rain, little boy, but Aarav didn't stop. He planted more and more trees. The one tree became two, two became five. His all friends joined in. Even his teacher joined in. Aarav's grandfather smiled and said, "You are planting more than trees, Aarav. You are planting hope." Years passed and the tree grew tall and strong. The trees gave shade to the village school streets. The birds again returned to sing. The butterflies returned to dance. And the people who once laughed at Aarav now clapped. The village has turned lush green and Aarav's simple dream came true. This was a story that reminds us that how one small act can make big difference. Plant trees, save life, be like Aarav. Because when we plant trees, we plant hope, shade, air and tomorrow. Let's promise that we will be heroes like Aarav, not with capes, but with shovel, seeds and smile. Thank you.